Hey guys, we just received a bunch of FlatTrak trailers with some options that we have never shown you guys yet. On this channel, we specialize in creating video overviews of popular trailers and the best features and options from our manufacturers. Our goal is to educate you with all the information you need to make the best decision when looking for a new trailer. This one right here is a 22-footer. It has the all aluminum wheel option. This customer went with the fully hydraulic steel well jack on the front. Just like always, it comes standard with the onboard battery charger. And something that you guys have been asking us about is a front stone guard. So yes, we do offer the front stone guard on the FlatTrak. The idea behind this piece is that if you're pulling on a car, if you're pulling on equipment, things of that nature, this is going to protect it. Stones, debris, anything that's going to fly up from the vehicle's wheels or anything like that that's going to be towing this trailer, this heavy-duty stone guard is going to protect it from that debris. We also have the winch plate on this one, so if you have a vehicle or a piece of equipment that is broken down, you can install yourself a winch. Again, this trailer will lay absolutely flat on the ground, so there's no ramps required. You can pull all your equipment on utilizing a winch. The other one that we have in stock is a shorter one. This customer ordered in a 14-footer. Again, he did go with the all aluminum wheel option, as well as a spare tire mount. This is just the standard jack on the front. That's a 12,000-pound top line jack. This one here will sink flat to the ground. It's only 14 foot, which means the trailer itself is going to be lighter. So this one has a higher payload capacity, and these shorter FlatTrak models are going to be tailored towards things like small equipment that's extremely heavy, but you just need it to be able to sink the whole way to the ground because of clearance. So again, shorter trailer means it's going to be lighter and going to be able to carry more weight. So you can put scissor lifts on here, any type of heavy-duty equipment that's short and just needs a ride to its location. If you're interested in one of these, all you need to do is hop onto our website, leave a $500 deposit, and we can custom order you any of these FlatTrak trailers with any options that you want. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.